In this video, I show you how to add transitions in Premiere Pro. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing. And once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide.
To begin, I just selected these two clips and dragged it onto our timeline. And I would like to add a transition between these two clips, right? And for that, let's suppose I want this video till here. And I'm just simply cropping it, and I want this video to start right from here, right? And I'm just dragging and joining both two clips. Now I want to add a transition between these two clips. The simple and easy way to add transition between two clips is just clicking on here and apply default transition. And as you can see, a transition pops up automatically right over here. Let's preview all of this transition and see how it's working. Wow, it's going great. Let's suppose if you don't like the default transition and you want some other transition to pop up, you can simply go under Effect panel. Right now Adobe is using the default cross dissolve one, and if you want to change that, you can select any of that, as we have a plenty of video transition right over here. Let's add this push one. You can simply use this with the drag drop feature, and let me play the video. And as you can see how smooth it goes. Let's change it and try with other transition. Simply drag and drop with page curl. So let's suppose if you want this transition to stay a little longer, you can simply click on this transition and drag the duration bar, and you can make it slow or fast. Right now I make it in high duration, so it is going very slow, as you can see in the preview. However, you can make it shorter as well.